Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to see word problem from exercise 3.3 and we are also going to see exercise 3.4. So in this sixth bit, let's see what's given. It's given that 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Okay, this is a question related to the age problem. So 5 years hence age of Jacob will be 3 times the age of his son. So Jacob is father here, okay, father's age, and his son 5 years ago. The second condition, 5 years ago. This is 5 years hence. 5 years hence means 5 years later, after 5 years, okay. And 5 years ago Jacob was 7 times that of his son, okay. 5 years ago he was 7 times. Like if your present age is, imagine, suppose if your present age is say 15 years, so 5 years later, 5 years hence, first one, 5 years hence means you will be 15 plus 5 or not? Yes, so you'll be 20 years, okay. 5 years hence. So let's see how to begin this type of questions. So to begin with, we'll take, let the present age of Jacob be x and the present age of his son be y years, two variables, okay. Then 5 years hence, what is the first condition? 5 years hence. What do you mean by hence? 5 years later. 5 years hence is nothing but 5 years later. Like you are 15 years now, 5 years hence you will be 20. So Jacob is x years now, so 5 years hence how much he will be? 5 years later Jacob will be x plus 5 and his son will be y plus 5. Yeah, so 5 years their age has increased. Jacob's age after 5 years is x plus 5. Whatever may be his present age, we don't know that. And son's age is y plus 5. Now what is the first condition given to us? Let's see the first condition. The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So what should I do? The age of Jacob is 3 times that of his son. 3 times of his son. So age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. So I'll write age of Jacob, that is x plus 5, is equal to 3 times of his son, that is y plus 5. Okay, and if I multiply it, open the bracket, 3y, and this 3 5 times is 15. So we multiplied it, we opened the bracket. Then we'll make this is not the standard form of equation, so I'll shift this 3y to the left and 5 to the right. I'll try to make this standard. So I'll take all the terms on the left, 3y also came to the left and 15 also came to the left, and x minus 3y minus 10, this is our first equation. Also 5 years ago. Now one more condition is given in the question, that is 5 years ago. So you can look here, the second condition, 5 years ago. Like your present age is 15 years now, so how much you were 5 years ago? 5 years ago how much you were? 15 minus 5, that is 10 years, okay. So same condition is given. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So first we should find 5 years ago age. So this is the second case. Now I am going to find the second equation with this. So 5 years ago, what will be Jacob's age? X minus 5, obviously, and son's age was y minus 5, and the condition is Jacob was 7 times that of his son. 7 times, okay. that of his son. So x minus 5, age of Jacob was 7 times, so it will become x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. And if I open the bracket here, 7y, 7 5s are 35 I'll get. Okay, then we'll shift all these terms to the left. All the terms I'll take to the left. X minus 7y minus 5 plus 35. Minus 5 plus 35 is how much? Plus 30. Plus 30 it is. Okay, change it here. Plus 30. Then we'll simplify this. These two equations, that is first equation, what's our first equation? Our first equation is x minus 3y minus 10, and second equation is x minus 7y plus 30. Okay, make a correction there. X minus 7y plus 30. It's not minus 30. Okay. Next, now we'll simplify this two equations by using any method. You can use substitution method or you can use elimination, both the methods. Okay, but not cross multiplication because that method is removed from your syllabus. So you can use either elimination or you can use substitution method to simplify these two equations. So here we are using substitution method. So we are taking equation number 1. From equation number 1 we are finding x in terms of y. X is equal to 3y plus 10 because we have taken this to the right. So this value of x, where do we substitute? You hope you remember it. We substitute this because we are taking this from first equation. We'll substitute this in second equation. So in place of x, what will I write now? 3y plus 10 minus 7y is as it is, and plus 30. Simplifying this all, we'll get the value of y, that is y will be equals to 10, and substitute this y value in any one of the equations. You will get x value, that is 40. So finally we have got the age of Jacob, so that is 40 years, and age of his son excuse me, age of his son is 10 years. Well, this is the way we can frame the equations for the word problems based on ages and find their missing ages. Hope it's clear to you all. Now let's see another bit. In 3.4, question number 1, it's about solving equations. Solve the following pair of linear equations by both the methods, elimination as well as substitutions. This practice, I have given you a lot of practice for this. So we are solving it by elimination. The first two equations are given here, you can see. Now but you can see we cannot eliminate this directly. Can we eliminate directly? No, we cannot eliminate it directly. So I'll try to make this coefficients of x equal. So to make this x as 2x, I'll multiply by 2 on both the sides of this equation. So I'm multiplying equation 1 on both the sides of equation 1 by 2. So this becomes 2x plus minus 6y is equal to 4. This is our, so multiplying the equation 1 first, we get 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and taking those two equations now here. So we are solving these two equations now, equation 2 and 3. Equation 1 became 3 now, okay, after multiplying by 2 on both the sides. And why we are multiplying? To make that coefficient of x as 2, so that I can cancel it. You can see here, okay. So here I can cancel by subtraction. 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, and 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Another way you can do here, another way is, here you can make So coefficient of y as equal. Okay, so how to make coefficient of y equal? You can multiply by 3 here. Here you can multiply by 3. Equation 1 you can multiply by 3 because this is 3y, so 3 comes here and 1 comes here. Okay, so if I multiply equation 1 by 3, I'll get 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, and this will be 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 as it is. Here I can cancel directly without subtraction, means addition I can do. Plus 3y minus 3y cancel, 5x is equal to 19 I get here, and x will be equal to 19 by 5, you can check here. So if you go in this way, you will get first x value, and if you go in this way, first you get y value. So both the ways are correct. You can go any way. First you can eliminate x, find y value, or first you can eliminate y, find x value. Both the ways are correct. So after finding the y value, we'll substitute this y value in equation number 1, and we'll get our x value again by substituting. Okay, this was about elimination method, which we have done many times. The next we have to solve the same by substitution method. Carefully, we'll get the same answer, that is 19 by 5, 6 by 5. Whatever may be the method, the answer will be same, 19 by 5, 6 by 5. Here also you get same answer, 19 by 5, 6 by 5, only method is changed. Okay, that will have a unique solution. These two lines have a unique solution. Okay, so this is the way we have to proceed. Next one, the fourth bit. You can try the other bits in the same way. The fourth bit, you can see, you can first find their LCMs. Here the equations are not in the standard form, so I'll try to convert them in standard form. How can I convert it? Let's have a look. You can first find the LCM of 2 and 3, that will be 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Cross multiply it, 3x and 2 into 2y. Okay, this 3 cross multiplies and 2 cross multiplies here, and we get 3x plus 4y. Okay, you can check here. So what do? Usually we'll find the LCM and we can cross multiply. So this becomes 3x and this becomes 4y. You can have a look here, is equal to minus 1, and cross multiplying it, 6 into minus 1 become minus 6. Similarly here also, what is the denominator in this? 1. LCM is 3. Cross multiply 3x minus y, 3x minus y, and 3x minus y is equal to cross multiply it again here with 3. Okay, so this becomes 9. Now these two equations we have got. What are the two equations? One is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6, another is 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now we are going to simplify these two by elimination method. So 3x minus 3x, you are subtracting the equations here. That is the reason you can see signs are changed. This become minus and this become plus, and this became minus. Okay, so after changing the sign, when you are doing subtraction, you must change the sign, you know that. Then after changing the sign, 3x and 3x gets cancelled, 4y plus y is 5y, and minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15. So finally I'll get y is equal to minus 3. Substitute this y value in any one of the equation. I'm substituting in which equation? I'm substituting in second equation. So substituting y is equal to 3 in second equation, 3x minus of minus 3 plus 3, and simplifying I get x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3 is the solution for these equations. Now you have to solve this same equations by substitution method also. Which method? Substitution method. So same thing we do here also, like we have done for the previous question, no change. After already we have changed the equation, so we can take those two equations, and taking those two equations we'll proceed with the substitution method. Now here you can see one unique thing. Till now we were finding x value, but here you can see he is finding the 3x value, because let's see the first equation. From first equation is finding 3x value. 3x is equal to minus 6 minus 4y. Yeah. This 3x value we can put in equation 2 here. From equation 1 we are taking this here. We'll put this in equation number 2. What is our equation number 2? This one. So in place of 3x, if it is possible like this, in place of 3x, you can write the value of 3x, that is minus 6 minus 4y. So, and minus y is as it is equal to 9. So simplifying it, we'll get y equal to minus 3. Put this y value in any of the equations. We are putting in equation 2 only. So 3x minus of minus 3 is equal to 9, and simplifying we get x is equal to 2. This is the way we can find solutions. X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. This is by substitution method. And same thing we got, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3 by elimination method. So method is differing, answers will be same. Hope everything is clear to you all. This was the most important concept of today's, for which you need a lot of practice. Thank you.